right? True. Yeah, true. Alright, so yesterday, right? That is what night before last night when I come from the hospital, right? I see a lot of people they on social media, everybody, most of them when I see take up my business on them head. You understand? So I see them have a problem with me and my family. As if like we're not supposed to belong. You know them type of way they like them people are not belong here, so them people are not belong to my earth. You understand what I say? And you know, me sit back and me look on a lot of things because the thing is this, me dey on my page and believe you me not take up for them business. Me don't know if you don't notice that. But I don't take up their business. Their business is not my business. You understand me? Anything me do on my account regarding me and my family. So when people spend so much time, I invest them time in a me and in my business, which is what I don't have nothing to do with your business. I don't care. You understand? I don't care. I don't even know we're going over your page because it's not my business. You know, yesterday, honestly, if you're a real woman, if you look on it, say, yo, man, come in for me and my kids, them. You understand what I say? Man in my community, you understand, tax me for money so me can be at my place. You understand? And nobody now look on that. Nobody now look on the fact say them come and end up lick my son. And when me talk about it, like people say, be a liar till. Be a liar till. You understand? Me wonder if you don't realize it enough of the time me depend on your son, me not beg $1. When anybody ever realize that? I have my camera up with for hours, just talking to you guys, right? And next me cut and I go play 1-2 game. And me say support the live, but me with the hours on top of hours talking to people. I mean nah beg. It go to the fact that even when Jaden, you understand me? It go for the fact when even when time Jaden look on me, and that's how me end up started to rate Jaden because Jaden was one of the person when Jaden looked at me and said to me, say, Annie, you can't depend your life and not beg. Sometimes Jaden will call me. No know that Jaden will text me per WhatsApp. I'm there I talk to how much people, 2,000, 3,000 people. I'm not beg. And Jaden will text me and say to me, say, listen to me, man. You can't depend your life and not ask the things. Beg, Annie, play a game. You understand? See how to me see it? But the years on me realize say, yeah, I wanna hate my family and that's okay. I wanna hate me, good girl Annie, because I wanna see some have a good heart. I wanna see say, yo, the burning desire we're in me not stop fight. You understand what I say? When I go see man come in for my youth and a whole heap of people come talk about a lie them I tell. A lie them I tell. You know, say people come to get to me in the community. People in my own community I said to me, say, Annie, don't run left your place. Because I say if we didn't know that, we are protect your head back. Even last night one of my link them reach out to me. And when man said to me, say, honestly, we are gonna do something about this. You understand? Because I'm my place where me come from and my born ground that. You understand? And me can't go away and run left my place at the end of the day because this some originated from. I feel me place that. So it make no sense me run left my place at the end of the day. Right? And that's something did feel away. Right? Me not really have much moderator, you know. Me not really have much moderator. Let me show you. Me not really have much moderator. I have up on my other page. Don't leave it. Ricardo, me not leave my place. I not leave my place, you know, but me not gonna make nobody know what me I do on my place because I realize that this is the attention there. You get me? But you know one of the biggest fact, it's like me I look on it say, oh nobody not look on it said, yo, them did not tell me to stay at the hospital, right? Them I say stay there, stay there. Everybody I say stay there. All jobbers I say stay there, stay hospital. And nobody not look on the fact say, yo, my thank God. I thank God say me left the hospital and come home, which part my kids them there. Because you see, if me never did do that, and my kids them alone would talk about it. You understand what me I say? Right? If me never did do that, and my kids them alone would talk about it. Nobody not look on the fact when time me there Kingston, when me did there Papi. Anybody remember this? Me I wonder if anybody remember this. And I want to know be truthful on my platform. I want to be real. Right? When me there popping, when time me did go there with that alien man there, right? Me end up meet up with Jabas, Jaden, Big Seed, and I think D. You understand what me I say? And at the time, me I tell people say man come in for my son. And them end up lick me pitney and tell me pitney say me them come to. And when me come out and talk it on social media, nobody no believe me. They say I lie me I tell. You see when you know your own truth, you don't give a fuck for nobody. And it's just the truth. Because if you know your truth, you just go work off of your truth. You know how it feel for hear say man come in for my son and lick my son and ask for me? My son did really traumatize over that. You know how much my son feel and when go through? My son don't even did want for the back of that the yard there. Let me tell you something, girl. I never come tell you nothing. You're there on my platform. I come over your yard. Yeah, me sure talk to you before me block you. You dry foot you dry foot girl. But it come over your yard. You know when me come tell you something is when me come over your yard and knock your door and call you out and tell you something. When you come from my page, me talk to my platform. Me I wonder who don't know. Me no come over your yard. So you look on mildew blood. Hey, Father God, they say behave yourself. Tamika, you bitch. Let me get rid of you. Let me get rid of you quick and fast. Because I'm not going to stop style and this, you know. Yeah. I'm not going to stop style and this, you know. I'm not sub my chat. I'm not going to sub my chat because subbing my chat to me being a coward. You get me? I'm not a coward person. I'm not run from my platform, right? I'm not gonna run from my platform. I have a right for them on my platform. Being here talking comfortable. So I don't see nobody supposed to tell me said sub the chat or I'm supposed to. I'm not that type of person. One by one me I go take them down. One by one me I go get rid of them. That's all me stay. Right? The more you fight me, the more I push in. So I'm not that type of person that will block out anybody. You get on top of my nerves, either I tell you something or I block you, I get rid of you. Or I get some good moderator, I say moderator, dash with them girl there. And so me I go deal with it. Me I go sit down because look here, social media is not for the weak. It's not for the weak. Social media is a place where you have to have thick skin. You have to have that brains there. And me love social media, so me have to make sure I'm there so. You understand me? So at the end of the day, I want some good moderator. I say, dash with them girl get dash with. Yeah, like come here, dash with that girl now. You see me? And some girl come over here so, I feel like I can't read. You get what me I say? I'm look down and them just a comment so, I just dash with a girl over there so. I saw me I deal with it. Moderator, dash with a girl. I saw me want moderator deal with me thing. You understand? So as what I said, right? I said the most important thing to me is to make my kids them comfortable. You understand? I say from my kids them okay. Me alright. And one thing I not gonna do, I not gonna run left my place. I see enough of the things that we are going here, so are from enough of the people that were there on social media. I mean enough of the people that were on social media will say them are influencer. I'm telling you this. Enough of them not go and believe it. Enough of the influencers them are fight against the influencers them. Enough of the people that were there on social media here so will say them is an influencer just like myself. I fight against one another. Enough of them are set target for each other. I mean not set target for people, but me going to talk about me. Enough of them are set target for me. Anyway, you see us so. As about bad baby that. Enough of them are set target. Who no want believe that, don't believe that. You understand what I say? The thing is this, when me always look pan. If there is nothing about me, if I'm just a careless woman, if me is just a nobody, why your people have so much attention towards me? You understand me? I'm just here trying like anybody else. Just like how no want buy local food, I want buy local food too. Just like how no want do something for myself and be happy, I want to do the same thing too as well. So why you same people who on our social media influencers, where they up here beg just like me and I try just like me? Why all of uno I tear me down this way and my family, me sit down and me look on it? You get me? Because of bad mind. You understand what I say? Me I go no one for instance and the whole of uno go bust up on this. Me I go no one big for instance. I'm not care for no one big, so I want to say, Annie, don't do that because I have a free mode to talk. I want to say me is a careless mother, right? And I say careless mother, more leap a careless mother depend this one jump up and so on rate. Because one of the person them were there so, where they on social media we give with our own child. Me know girl pan this we give them pitney, when I raise them pitney. Them give up them pitney for a free life. For go do breasts and body. You understand what I say? I talk about Shay. Shay give a fear pitney like a